Make over this frame. I've got a really beautiful Riva Rose paper. This is from last year's collection, I believe, and this is called Icy Blue Santa. Anyway, guys, this is my mirror. I am going to start out by painting it. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm actually going to paint the frame first. I'm going to decoupage last. Is to paint Pixie's metallic paint Starry Night over the gold. I am going to start off using some undercover primer first by Paint Pixie in the color Coffee. Just because this is old and I just want to give it, you know, a nice adhesion for my metallic paint. So guys, now I'm going to take that undercover primer. I'm just going to throw, like I said, I'm not going to do the back of this frame just yet because I have to run into, I have to go get some felt. So we have that. Now I'm going to get a little bowl and we are going to use the Paint Pixie. This is their metallic paint in the color Starry Night. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous metallic-y blue. Would you look at that color? This is what I'm talking about, y'all. I love, love, love this. All right, so now we're ready to decoupage this beautiful. Okay, so this is just white gloss enamel paint because we're painting on glass. And it doesn't have to be pretty. I'm not gonna go all the way to the edge because it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna go as close as I can. I just want to get a nice white background for our decoupage. Okay, so I got like that all. You know what? I think I am going to want to cut it. Usually I wouldn't, but I kind of know where. I see where it's at, so I think I can safely watercut it. And then I could just tuck that in there. Love it. Oh my god, this is gonna be so flippin' pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. It's like, that's it. This is Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. So just a little bit of Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser just to lay down. Now this I want to take all the way to the edge. All right, so I'm just gonna shove this in here. I'm gonna grab my brush and I just kind of use the brush that's already wet with the pigment infuser, and I use it to just kind of shove in there. That looks, y'all. This is why I love doing. This is why I love what I do. All right, I need to get a piece of parchment paper. So my iron is already on. So you lay your parchment paper down, just make sure nothing sticks, and then you're just gonna iron this bad boy. I know, it's so easy, isn't it? So beautiful. So now, so now what I was thinking with the frame, I want to white wax the frame, I think. Or yeah, white wax the frame. So this is just white wax from Bear. I don't use this a lot, this color, but it looks great on dark colors. Let's see how it works. And basically you're just going to, it's kind of like how the dark wax works. You know, the dark wax that I use all the time on like the light colored things. Well, this is like a dark paint, so there's no reason why you can't put a coat of white wax, and it's going to soften to make it match more here. And then I just take my rag. So see how it does that? It just sits inside those nooks and crannies. It's subtle. It's just so subtle. For the Santa itself, I think it's perfect the way it is. I do want to put a coat of triple thick Duraclear on it, just to kind of give it a shine. I'm going to take just a little bit of triple thick Duraclear. It's 3 parts triple thick to 2 parts Duraclear, and I am going to put that just on my Santa, just because I want to give him one more layer of protection, and I want him to be a little shinier. There you go. It's got a nice shine. It's just a nice shine. Beautiful. The only thing that I was going to try to put on here before we add the bling is I was going to see, I have this Pen Tart wax right here. Bear with me. I was going to take a little brush and just, now this is just silver wax, okay? And I was just gonna try to highlight this edge right here. You can get on it and I'll post it. But do you see how pretty I did that? Just a little bit of silver, just to kind of tie in all of this in. I'm making Snowflake. I love it. From last year, I bet you I could find a Snowflake. I didn't like it with the blue, so I'm just gonna stick. I'm just gonna do this little white. Look at how pretty. Up close. The Totally Dazzled for the win. Don't be blue. Stay sparkly, my friends, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everyone.